if you've ever wondered what the difference is between a neurotypical brain versus a neurodivergent brain, this is a great depiction. This was actually in a study about 2012, I believe it was. They did an MRI scan of the visual output of the brain. This is in a neurotypical person. So you can see those lines and columns of color are actually visual output, and it's fairly linear and in a column, right? Now, this is a neurodivergent brain. This is specifically an MRI scan of Temple Grandin's brain. And you can see the visual output is just varied. It sort of spreads all over, right? So that was a stark difference. And that's why if you've read any of her books or been to any of her speeches, she talks about how she thinks in pictures. Because what it actually showed were actually things like this. There was that her brain volume was larger than most, even compared to other individuals with autism. She also had different white matter connections, particularly in the areas of visual processing and memory. And these differences really helped explain her exceptional visual thinking abilities and unique cognitive strengths. Now, in essence, this MRI study revealed that while Temple Grandin's brain has some characteristics of typical autism, it also possesses unique features that contribute to exceptional strengths in visual thinking, spatial reasoning, and other areas. So her brain, like all autistic brains, is very unique variation of the human brain, demonstrating both strengths and challenges. Hence, the reason autism is a spectrum, and within every autistic individual, you're going to find strengths. You just have to be looking at the right place, because they're not all in the same spot, as you can imagine. But anyway, I just thought it was a really interesting study. If you could get a chance to look into it. It was actually also in the USA Today, which might be a bit of an easier read if you're interested.